My objective is to reduce road and tire running noise. I notice this noise is quite high if I go over uneven road and when I drive in high speed on highway. Road noise, or we can say tire running noise, is the most difficult noise to reduce for a car. Usually, the tire noise can go up as high as 110 dB if running on highway at a high speed with rough surface road. So, we would say we cannot guarantee the tire running noise will disappear. We can only reduce this noise to a comfortable level. The tire running noise basically separated into noises: low frequency noise and high frequency noise, with higher noise level at 200 Hz to 800 Hz. We will determine here that low frequency noise will be 500 Hz and below the frequency noise. The high frequency noises will be 500 Hz and higher. The ways on soundproofing installation to reduce road noise will be: first, reduce the low frequency noises from tire running noise. We shall do car floor soundproofing. This is because the noises below 500 Hz frequencies generate from tire running will enter into the car through car floor. If the budget is enough, we recommend doing full car floor, or you shall at least do the front car floor if the budget is not enough. Second, reduce the high frequency noises from tire running noise. We shall do also car door soundproofing. The tire running noise will enter the car through the doors gap and the water flowing holes on the bottom of car doors. So, we must install rubber tube into the car doors rubber hose. This will block the high frequency noise, 500 Hz and above, from tire running into the car cabin. In addition, we must install a noise absorbing material on doors inner plastic trim. This will reduce the noise from water flowing holes on door into the car. Lastly, to further reduce the tire running noise, we recommend doing also the wheel arch soundproofing. We can install the vibration damping material on wheel arches plastic cover, so the tire running noise will be then insulated. Do above 3 area soundproofing, tire running noise will be reduced. Note that the tire running noise is still audible after installation, as it is not possible to reduce it all. But you shall feel more comfortable to drive as noise drop is obvious too. Visit us today to solve the problem of tire running noise.